Welcome back, Harbros, to the Harbro channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today, we're going to go over, it's been Inside Track Spring Black Friday. I always say that. It's been Inside Track Spring Black Friday, but starting tomorrow, it is for everyone. So we're going to go over literally the best deals now sorted, 30% off of $10 and more, every 30% off of $10 and more, and some honorable mentions and the 50% off or more. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And let's just jump right in. We'll start off with the 30% off of $10 or more. Hopefully everyone's aware. Again, this is not just ITC anymore. This is absolutely everybody. Let me know if you're not ITC and why not. But either way, if you were patient, here we are. I don't think people are sold out. Maybe they are. Harbros will let us know. I think a few people have mentioned their stores, but for the most part, I haven't seen as many comments saying that they were out of their items. But let's jump in. Of course, we know our flyer, 40% off all Braun lights, 30% off all elastic ratcheting tie downs, 40% off gloves, 30% off batteries, 35% off Icon Doyle Quinn screwdrivers, pliers. And those are the heavy hitters. Those we've gone over. We've gone over all these, but here we go. Only items 30% off or more, and only $10 and up, because if not, the list gets crazy. We have the Greenwood 4-gallon backpack spray at 20 bucks, 33% off. And just a quick note, the reason we're saying 30% off and more, because the best deals, as you can see here in the flyer, they start at 30%, go up to 40%. And so that's when we know Harbor Freight is giving the best deals. So we're going to cover those best deals. Then we have the Icon Mini Ratchet Set, $28, 30% off. They barely made the cut, but 30% off there. Still a great deal. The 3-ton low profile floor jack and with rapid pump, 98 bucks, $72 off. And just as a reminder, that's 72 off of 170, 43, basically 43% off. That is unheard of. 43% off. That's better than the unicorn days of all jacks being 40% off. So crazy deal there. We have the Daytona 3-ton long reach, low profile professional floor jack with rapid pump, $170, $100 off of $270, 37% off. So again, even that is a great deal. 37% off there. Daytona 1,300 pound capacity self-loading positioning wheel dolly, better than the deal that they had going on. 50 bucks off of 130. Math is getting difficult here, but 50 bucks off of 130. 38, basically 39% off. So we'll mark that as well. 39, so 43, 37, 39% off. We keep going. We have the Pittsburgh 6,500 pound capacity portable ramp set, 2-piece at 33% off, down to 40 bucks from 60 bucks. Hallmaster triple ball trailer hitch, 30% off. Now this one's on here because it made the cut, but we know this was an even bigger discount just a few weeks ago, but it's there. Hallmaster again, 1,000-pound capacity, 9 by 72-inch steel loading ramps at 50 bucks, 41% off. Great discount. The Hallmaster again, 3/8 inch by 13.2 foot, grade 43 truckers, chain down to 25 bucks, 37% off. Pittsburgh's click torque wrench, 13 bucks, 40% off. Your choice though too. So they have a few different choices. Choice of 1/4 inch from 20 to 200 inch pounds, 3/8 inch from 5 to 80 foot pounds, or the 1/2 inch drive, 10 to 150 foot pounds. A few options there. We continue. Bauer, the 0.6 amp variable speed precision crafting rotary toolkit at a 36 piece, 25 bucks, 37% off. Normally 40 bucks. Predator's 100-watt super lightweight foldable solar panel at 100 bucks, $30 off. Wait a second, did the Harbros do the math wrong here? We did. This is 25% off. So this should be in the honorable mentions. Let's put you over here. Honorable mentions, maybe not, but it is because this solar panel rarely goes on sale. Continuing, Bauer 1800 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute portable electric pressure washer at $69.99. Nice, but $30 off. That has it down to 30%, so great deal on that. We have the Bauer 3/16 inch to 1 3/8 inch number 4 black oxide step drill bits, 12 steps and 11 steps, 20 bucks, 33% off. The Warrior titanium drill bits at 29 piece at 12 bucks, 40% off. Center this a bit again. Bauer 2.8 amp 5-inch random orbit palm sander, 50% off, 20 bucks, normally 40 bucks. Crazy deal. Bauer 7.5 amp 1/2 inch variable speed hammer drill, 30 bucks, 33% off. Warriors 350-pound folding miter saw stands for saws up to 10 inches down to $45, 35% off. Icon Alert, I feel like this hasn't been getting as much praise, but $23.99 for the Icon 800 lumen LED rechargeable magnetic handheld foldable slim bar work light. $24, only $40, 40% off. Excellent deal. Probably not getting as much hype because there's the Braun deal for 40% off lights, and you can get that Braun light for 40% off, and it's already less expensive than the Icon, but still not a bad option for Icon. Merlin 3/8 inch by 50-foot rubber air hose, 1/4 inch NPT fittings, $15, $25 normally, down 40%, down to $15. We have the Earthquake XT 1/2 inch composite air impact wrench twin hammer, 1,200 foot-pounds, $80, $40 off. That's 33% off on that. We have the Apache 4800 weatherproof protective case, extra large, $40, down from $60, 33% off. More Apache, the 9800 weatherproof protective rifle case. This is the long case, $100 down from $150, so that's 33% off there. So again, decent deal, $50 off. Merlin's 3/8 inch by 100-foot rubber air hose, 1/4 inch MPT fittings, 40% off, down to $30. Grant's popular 1200 watt handheld steam cleaner down to $25, 37% off. Merlin's heavy duty air compressor accessory kit, 20-piece, $17, 37% off. Pittsburgh's 8-ton hydraulic bottle jack at $25, down 34%, down to $38. Titanium unlimited 140 professional multi-process welder with 120 volt input, $350, $250 off. Let's see what this one I forgot on the last parking lot sale prep for ITC, but here we are at 42% off. 42% off this welder crazy deal. We keep going. Chicago Electric auto darkening welding helmet, $28, 30% off. Barely made the cut. Icon Alert, 50% off. The multi-spline screw extractor set, 15 piece. I think I saw already people using this and this saving people's lives to extract some rusted bolts. $25, 50% off, and only $50 lifetime warranty. That's hard to beat compared to Snap-on. And then of course we have the Franklin 36 by 24 inch 2-shelf utility cart. Your choice of black or gray, $90, $40 off. I think that makes the cut. Of course it makes the cut. $40 off of $130. We're at just over 30%, about 31% off. But for the cart, it's a great deal, 31%. Doyle 4.5 inch swivel vise with anvil and pipe jaws, $100, $50 off. So that's 33% off. Our Harbro favorite, the Chicago Electric 3/4 horsepower concrete vibrator, $60, $40 off. Normally $100, that's 40% off. And then we have the 1,200 pound capacity steel utility cart down to $120, $60 off. So that's 33% off. And those are literally the best deals going on during Harbor Freight's parking lot sale. Of course, with the heavy hitters in the ribbons here. And now we're going to go into some of the honorable mentions. Now, these are going to be ones that are close to 30% off. So that's good. Or they're 50% off or more. So starting with the Predator, 3,500 watt super quiet inverter generator, serial secure technology, $600, $200 off. That's 25% off, but compared to generator days, this is an excellent deal. So excellent deal, not the best we've seen, but pretty close to what you're gonna get. Like that's as close. Might get a little better, but not much better. Continuing, Predator, gas-powered earth auger, $60. Now we did have this in one of the flash sales, so it was 40% off. So this is not that, but still 26% off, just over, is a honorable mention. $40 off of the US General 5-tier boltless steel garage shelving. Solid deal. The US General 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart being $60 off is pretty decent. Only $230 at 26% off. Better than the US General day. So that is a solid 26% off. We have the Daytona 2-ton professional racing series aluminum floor jack with rapid pump, $170, $60 off of that. $60 off of $230. Come on, Harbro, $60 off of $230 at 26% off. It's the same deal here. Didn't need to do the math. 26% off. Solid deal. Can't be angry. That's a solid deal. Then we have the Warrior 1500 amp, 11 amp dual temperature heat gun. That's a fire deal. 50% off of anything is going to catch our attention. Then we have the Pittsburgh Pry Bar Set 4-piece, 42% off, almost in the $10 range, so it earned the valuable honorable mention. Same thing for the Chicago Electric 80-watt iron plastic welding kit, down to $9.94, normally 20 bucks, 50% off. Oh, actually, that hit the 50% marker. Crazy deal. Electronic fly swatter, 50% off, down to $2.49. The Super Glue Gel Pack 3-pack, 96 cents, 51% off. Honorable mention, Pittsburgh adjustable wrench set 3-piece, $7.96, almost 10 bucks, but 38% off. Bowers 10 amp 1 1/8 inch SDS type variable speed rotary hammer, $69.99. Nice, almost 30% off, down at 26% off from 95 bucks. Bowers half inch by 50-foot automatic feed drain cleaning drum machine, 300 bucks, $100 off. That's 25% off, which is honorable mention. US General 18-inch magnetic tool holder, 63% off. So that's on here, down to $1.84. 30 caliber ammo box, also 50% off, down to $2.98. Honorable mention for the mini steel toolbox at 26% off, down to $14. Apache $8.98, 30% off. 9-foot by 12-foot disposable drop cloths, 50% off. That's going to get counted. Hercules impacted rated number 2 Phillips 2-inch insert bits, 5-piece, 57% off, down to $3. Doyle 7-inch professional rafter square at $5.49, 50% off. The red towels of death down to $7.49, but they are 50% off. You can go with white. And then the Central Machinery cement mixer, 200 bucks, $70 off. And for something that I don't think gets discounted too often, we're at 26% off. So worthy of a honorable mention. $9.96 for the Pittsburgh 15-inch adjustable wrench, 37% off. 50% off the Bauer metal cutoff wheels, $3.98. 55% off the 6-inch magnetic parts holder, down to $180. God bless America. We have the 3 by 5 foot American flag, not available in Minnesota, $4.92, 50% off. And then what we moved over, the Predator 100-watt super lightweight foldable solar panel, 100 bucks, $30 off. That's 25% off. Honorable mention. So those are the honorable mentions, and those are, again, literally the best deals going on at Harbor Freight now. Available, well, starting tomorrow for everyone. Starting tomorrow for everyone. So let me know how your Spring Black Friday has been going, Harbros. And we'll leave it at that. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Happy Spring Black Friday shopping. Good luck out there. May your stores be stocked to the brim. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.